Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are good. Do you remember what I taught you yesterday? Yes, alphabet V. So today we will do a quick recap of all the alphabet and then we will do an interesting activity.
Capital A, small a, Mama A, baby A for air balloon. Capital B, small b, Mama B, baby B for bucket. Capital C, small c, Mama C, baby C for clock. Capital D, small d, Mama D, baby D for drum. Capital E, small e, Mama E, baby E for eagle. Capital F, small f, Mama F, baby F for flower. Capital G, small g, Mama G, baby G for gift. Capital H, small h, Mama H, baby H for heart. Capital I, small I, Mama I, baby I for insect. Capital J, small j, Mama J, baby J for jackfruit. Capital K, small k, Mama K, baby K for king. Capital L, small l, Mama L, baby L for laptop. Capital M, small m, Mama M, baby M for mirror. Capital N, small n, Mama N, baby N for newspaper. Capital O, small o, Mama O, baby O for orange. Capital P, small p, Mama P, baby P for pencil. Capital Q, small q, Mama Q, baby Q for queen. Capital R, small r, Mama R, baby R for rainbow. Capital S, small s, Mama S, baby S for sweater. Capital T, small t, Mama T, baby T for tomato. Capital U, small u, Mama U, baby U for utensils. Capital V, small v, Mama V, baby V for van.
Now, let us do an interesting activity related to alphabet V.
Now, let us start an activity of alphabet V. See children, here I have different flashcards related to different alphabet. We will segregate flashcards related to alphabet V and put them in this blue tray. Which picture is this, children? Violin. Violin starts with alphabet V. So we will put it in this tray. Next is a volleyball. It starts with alphabet V. So we will put it in the tray. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a scooter. It does not start with letter V. So we will not put it in the tray. Next is a vulture. It starts with alphabet V. So let us put it in the tray. This is a horse. Horse does not start with alphabet V. So we will not put it in the tray. This is a vest. It starts with V. So we will put it in the tray. Next is a robot. It does not start with V. So we will not put it in the tray. This is a flag. It does not start with V. So we will put it here. This is a carrot. It does not start with alphabet V. So let us put it here. This is a vase. V for vase. So we will put it in the tray. This is a quilt. It does not start with V. So let us put it here. This is a gem. It does not start with alphabet V. So we will not put it in the tray. This is a van. Van starts with alphabet V. So we will put it in the tray. This is a vacuum cleaner. It starts with V. So we will put it in the tray.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Now, let's see the solution of the worksheets.
In the first worksheet, you had to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. First alphabet is C. C for cup. Next is alphabet F. F for fox. Next, alphabet I. I for injection. Next is alphabet L. L for lollipop. Next is alphabet O. O for onion. Next is alphabet R. R for rainbow. And the last one is alphabet U. U for uniform. I hope, children, you all have done the same. In this second worksheet, you had to color the vase with your favorite color. I have colored it with pink and red color. I hope you all must have colored it beautifully.
Children, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care and keep smiling.